Good day everyone. Today I'm going to inform you about Maria Lilia Efrialubit literature work and achievements. Born on October 22, 1930 in the Philippines, is a respected writer known for her profound understanding of Filipino identity, culture, and society. Through her written works, she reveals the richness of Filipino life, captivating readers with her unique storytelling style. Realubit's contribution to Philippine literature have made a lasting impact, earning her recognition as a notable figure in the literary landscape. She is retired professor from the College of Art and Letters Department of English and Comparative Literature. Unfortunately, she passed away on August 17, 2017. Rhea Dubit served at UP Diliman as faculty for more than 3 decades. She taught English, Bicol literature, folklore and Philippine studies both in graduate and undergraduate levels. Maria Lilia F. Realubit was honored with the Alagan ni Balagtas Award and received the National Books Award for her Philippine drama, 12 plays in 6 regional languages. She also got a Lifetime Achievement Award in 2004 and was one of the 11 Filipino scientists to win an award from the National Research Council of the Philippines in 2003. Her most famous work is Halia, Anthology of Bicol Poets and Poems. This book contained 203 pages and was published by the UP in 1976. This literary work is about the valuable and rich cultural heritage, literary tradition, and historical narratives of the Bicol region. This piece also served as an important resource for preserving and celebrating the diverse voices and artistic expression of Bicol writers and poets, making sure that their contribution in Philippine literature are not forgotten. These are the literary works of Maria Lilia Efrialubit: Bicol Dramatic Tradition, 1976; Bicols of the Philippines, 1983; Journal of Bicol Writing, 1994; Anthology Bicol Poets and Poem, 1999; and Bicol Literary History, also 1999. That's all about Maria Lilia Efrialubit.